Welcome to the Integrative Arts Shaolin Broadsword Part 2. We're going to walk through Part 1 again just real quickly and get us up to where we will be demonstrating Part 2. So we have actually the opening movement, which we will use a lot. Cut up, cut across, and cut up. Again, turn, circle, push. Those are our first two parts right there. Now, I'm going to demonstrate the third part, going into the third part from the front. We are at our ward off position. We're going to turn back toward the front, and we're going to again block across with the blade, bring it behind our head, step behind with our left foot, and cut up on a 45, fingers pointing toward the rear. I'm going to do a butt with my butt of my sword and a knee, and then a thrust. So I push out the left hand, thrust going into the pelvic girdle, groin area. So again, turning, stepping behind, and coming up, thrust. Okay, from the rear position, or how you would actually follow along. Again, actually we're at the ward off. So we're blocking, stepping behind with the left foot, cutting up, left hand goes up, knee, thrust. Again, one more time. Coming around, and cut up, thrust. When you're doing the form, you start to see where it gets this name, the Shaolin Tornado Broadsword, or the tigers, we start moving more aggressively with the movements. So again, turn, step behind, cut up, thrust. So then we're going to cross step as our hands both go down. Cross step with our right foot, left hand up, right hand foot down, thrust. And then we're going to do a little shuffle, cut, or block. Left hand comes to a guard. So again, we're from our thrust position, cross step, push, cut. And there we have part 3. From the front, around, cut, up, thrust, cross step, push out, cut. Next, we're going to move into part 4. Part 4 is very much like the opening section, where we're just moving while we're doing the same movements of the opening section. So we're going to take it from, we'll add it in after we do the turn, cut, up, thrust, over, thrust, shuffle away. So again, pay attention, blocking, stepping once, stepping twice, cutting, cutting back, stepping back with the right foot, pushing, coming again, stepping behind again, but this time we're going to bring our left hand to our guard, bring our right hand over. We're going to be cutting down here. We're going to be doing a flip of the sword. So you'll see the exact same movements that we had at the beginning of the sword form in there. And again, this part is where you're following along with me. Step behind, cut up, knee, butt, thrust, cross step, thrust, shuffle away, turn. Everything is always working together as one unit. Cutting up, cutting back, stepping back with the right foot, pushing out, step again back with the left foot, come around, and we're in position to cut down. Okay, let's do that at a more normal speed, or regular speed for you to work toward. Again, we're not really putting our foot on the gas, but you can start getting the idea that the form has some flow to it And again, that's going to be the start of the section for part 3 that we'll teach you in the next segment.